black rub rail stainless steel insert. Notice we have the fiberglass hardtop stainless steel frame, fully hand-built fiberglass windshield. Come around back to the transom. Full walk across along the transom here. Sea deck material. It's comfortable on your feet. This boat is powered with a 300 Dorado V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated motor from Mercury. We've got fresh water here on the transom, and we also have canvas for this boat, both bow and cockpit cover. You can see where they connect to the boat. And now we'll take you inside. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 235 Dorado, with all of the seating currently stowed away, we've got a lot of space here for fishing. Padded bolsters along the side. We've got a bait well here to the port side. It's got a tension hinge, so it's not going to slam. We've got recessed cleats, rod holders, cup holders along the back. And now if I deploy all the seating, we've got a really nice seating area. I can drop this backrest back. Got a lounge here to the port side. We've also got storage or a cooler box beneath this seat, however you choose to use this space. And then I can quickly convert this, all these seats stow away nice and easy, nice and clean. Our bilge or systems access, no rough edges, all smooth, polished fiberglass. It's really easy to keep this area clean and easy to access everything. This is a self-bailing cockpit, so we've got scupper plugs on both sides. Here to the starboard side, we've got undergunnel rod storage. It's also a good place for a deck brush or a boat hook. We've got slide out Yeti 35 cooler. Wet bar sink, cutting board, Corian countertop, little recessed area that's lit and also has charging ports for your devices. Freshwater sink there. This backrest converts to face either direction. I've got this collapsible table here, so it gives me a little picnic table or a cockpit table or a card table, and then I can easily stow this away. These seats do swivel and slide. You'll notice this is the Macella upgraded interior with the cayenne and the tan, heritage tan color. Really livens up the boat. We do have the upgraded JL speakers on board. Batteries are located beneath me here in this center hatch. Here at the helm, we've got a Garmin 8610 unit, flat screen. We've got a lockable glove box with charging ports for our devices. Cup holder, trim tabs are standard on the boat, and we have the upgraded LED indicators that show where your tabs are positioned. We've got a 4-inch Mercury vessel view display for all my engine data, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, a remote to power the boat and also control lights on board is located here. Standard steering wheel has the steering knob and an adjustable tilt. Of course, we've got digital throttle and shift with that Mercury Dorado, an adjustable bolster at the helm. So this is a really comfortable and sporty boat to drive. Feels like you're driving a sports car. Plenty of sun coverage with that hardtop. There are LED lights above me. Nice clean look again with that hand-built fiberglass windshield. Here to the port side, we've got our head with its own holding tank. We've also got canvas stored in there, and there's also a sink. I can block this area off from any wind or rain. And you can actually remove this whole windshield door. It just slides up and out if you don't want to have your passengers staring at that door while it's in the open position there. I've also got storage inside the starboard side console. That's also where our battery switch is located and all of our fuses. I have a battery charger on board here. Adjustable armrests in the bow. Storage beneath both seats. So those are also finished and drained. Our anchor locker is forward here. We've also got 2 JL speakers embedded into the bow back bolster. And then we have bow rod couple or combo receivers in the bow, so this boat can accommodate a sunshade. Our freshwater fill is here to the starboard side, and our waste tank empty is here to the port side. That's a look at Scout's 235 Dorado. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at our location just off Daniel Island, exit 23A off 526. And give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out at MarineMax.com. Thank you.